Going to install this ceiling fan today, and just some things before I put it up. It's pretty basic, like any other ceiling fan that I've used, but these blades are solid wood carved out of one piece. Beautiful wood stained like an orange. It may be a couple pieces laminated together, which is fine. Really nice craftsmanship. I love this style of blades. So I can't wait to put this up, and we're going to do that right now. This is the 52-inch 3-bladed fan, and these blades are really nice. They're wood carved, not double-sided, single-sided. They look like airplane propellers. Really nice. 3 blades, 52-inch with the light. And we're going to go over some of the stuff with the remote control. First, I can hit the fan power on and off. Push the speed, and the fan starts. You have reverse, forward, and reverse. We have the light on and off. We can change the brightness of the light. You can change the temperature of the light to be bright white, to a softer yellow. And then you have night light. We can turn off the beep. And then this button in the middle is a wind simulation, so it'll change speeds up and down. And then you've got the timer 1, 4, and 8 hours. So it's a fairly simple remote. It's a beautiful fan. It looks great in this room. It really fits the size of the room. This is a large bedroom. It just really looks great. I love it. It has an extension pole in case you have a high ceiling or an angled ceiling. Really nice fan. This is one of my favorites.